Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to autoplay a video in Behance and how you can make it play automatically when visitors view your project. So first off, you need to come here on behance.net, then simply sign in into your Adobe account if you haven't already. Now over here, you need to simply just hover over to your profile on the top right hand corner. Then click on the option of Behance profile. You can also directly click on the option of share work and then click on the option of project. Now over here, when you are on the project creation page, you are going to see the option of embed here in the right hand section. So here simply click on the option of embed and you just have to simply paste the link of that particular video that you want to basically autoplay. It should be from YouTube or Vimeo or any other platform. So after doing this, you just have to click on the option of embed and that particular video is going to basically come over here. Now if you are uploading a video directly to Behance, you can also do that by clicking on the video and the audio option over here. Then you need to simply select that particular video which you want to upload here. So after selecting any of these methods, you need to make sure of this thing that for videos that need to play automatically, you need to make sure that the video itself is configured for autoplay by the hosting platform or embed settings. Just keep in mind that all the modern browsers can also block the autoplay when a video includes sound. So muted autoplay is generally more reliable. After adding the video, you can preview your project to check the playback behavior, and when everything looks correct, you can just simply click on the option of publish to save the changes. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.